everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. It is Thursday, so that means today is new releases reveal and that tomorrow new releases go live at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I am here with 3 brand new weekly kits that are coming to the shop. So I'll be doing a flip through and sharing with you this week's new releases. As it turns out, I don't actually have the deco sheets since we are still in production. So I will just be sharing the full weekly kits, but as always, we will have deco and B6 size kits available as well. Before I jump into the flip through, I wanted to mention that we are doing a $2 Tuesday rewind currently, and today is actually the very last day you can shop past $2 Tuesday collections. I was originally going to post a video on Monday earlier this week, but I was a little bit sick with a sore throat. Thankfully, I am fully recovered now, but yeah, so I ended up not posting that video, but we have lots of collections available. I'll put in the description all of the $2 Tuesday collections that are currently back. I believe this is the last chance to grab some of the spring floral items like the floral toppers, sakura, butterfly, there's honeybee, botanical, there's a lot. There's also floral deco clip art that is also available, so go and check it out. There's a lot of items. And now let's go ahead and jump into this week's new releases. Okay, starting with this summery ocean kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's in hollow foil. I put up a poll asking for foil suggestions and y'all wanted hollow for this kit, and I think it matches perfectly. It's a really pretty blue and pink and corally colored kit. I think it's showing up a little bit brighter, like the teal is a little bit brighter on camera, but it's so pretty in real life. And just look at that hollow foil, looks amazing. So here is just a close-up. And then moving on to the headers and the bottom washi. I love the bottom washi on this one. There are like little bubbles, so pretty. Then we have our functional boxes. Got a lot of boxes. I love the scallops down here. And then we have the date covers, checklists, sidebar stickers, and of course our layering stickers. So that is Ocean. Moving on to the next kit, I actually have them pressed over here on the side under a paperweight since they are a bit curly. I just foiled these literally like an hour ago. Next up is a Mother's Day kit, and this is in silver foil. Sorry if you can hear our printer in the background. We are printing lots of restock and new kits currently. So again, this one is in silver foil, which I have been loving silver lately. A lot of our new kits have been using silver foil, and I just think it matches really well with this darker blue. So that is the full boxes. Then we have the headers and the bottom washi. I love the lace foil on here. It's so gorgeous. And of course, gotta have our florals. Then we have the functional boxes. Love. And then I love this sheet. This is the date covers, have your checklist, sidebar stickers, and layering stickers, and I love all of the florals layered on these larger stickers over here. Love this kit. I can't wait to use it. So that is the Mother's Day kit. Should we do a Father's Day kit is the real question. So that is this one. Moving on to the last weekly kit. It is also themed. So this one is graduation. We actually have some graduation $2 Tuesday foils coming up really soon, probably sometime, if not this month, then probably early next month. But I think we're aiming for mid to end of April for our graduation $2 Tuesday collection. So definitely keep an eye out for that. So y'all voted for gold glitter foil, and I think that matches with this kit perfectly. You guys always have the best foil picks for these kits. So here is just a closer look. We have this girl jumping up in the air, which we love. So cute. We have this little 2022 banner. Then we have the quote box that says follow your dreams. Have your diploma, cap, and then we love the florals. So that is graduation. And then moving on to the headers are watercolor, and then here is the bottom washi. Kept it pretty simple since the foil is really poppin' in this kit. Here are the functional boxes. I love the little deco elements on some of these boxes. And then, of course, we gotta have our date covers, have our checklist, sidebar sticker, and layering stickers. So that is graduation. And those are all of our new releases. So as usual, our new releases are 20% off the weekend that they are released. So if you guys want to pick these up, definitely grab them this weekend when they are on sale. And let me know which kit was your favorite out of the three of these. I want to say mine is probably Ocean because I absolutely love hollow foil. It looks stunning. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday with a new $2 Tuesday video. Bye!